We're now on to grades. Can we be penalized for giving too many A's or too many DF grades? Not directly. However, per the English Department bylaws, Section 7, subsection 4, quote, "It is the instructor's responsibility not only to employ dependable methods of evaluating student performance, but to award different grades for different levels of performance. The grade distributions for all courses in the department shall be reviewed by the chair and associate chair for personnel when they are made available by the university, and any instructor whose grade distributions differ consistently and markedly from the department norms may be asked to explain this difference in writing." That is one sentence. And I would like to note the irony of saying we have to grade on the quality of writing in a sentence like that. It's actually a perfectly logical periodic sentence, but nonetheless, come on. What that means is that the chair and the associate chair are required to look at grade distributions. So if you're teaching 4 classes of English 1A and everybody in every one of those classes always gets an A, somebody's going to have a conversation with you. If everybody always gets an F or a D or a C or any other grade, somebody's going to have a conversation with you. Because what the grades are intended to represent is differentials in student work. Ideologically, I think that there are real problems with the way that we've got it phrased. Particularly in classes that are writing classes where we're asking students to demonstrate growth over time. So I have some ideological gripes about this myself, but it is nonetheless the policy, and it is the policy that is guiding how the chair and the associate chair, and in fact the college and the university, look at your grading practices. Okay? And then that becomes, again, as we've been talking about in the larger scheme of evaluation, one piece of evidence in the larger scheme of evaluative questions.